Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into the process of adding a link to Monday.com, your ultimate guide for 2025, ensuring you stay updated with the latest features. Our first step is to log into your Monday.com account. Now, this might seem like a no-brainer, but remember that you need to have the necessary permissions to add or edit any content. This helps us ensure that only authorized individuals can make changes. Once you're logged in, navigate to the board where you want to add the link. The reason we do this is to keep our workspace organized and avoid any confusion. Every link, task, or update should always be in its correct place. Next up, click on the New Item button at the top of your board. This is where you can add a new task, update, or in our case, a link. It's crucial to understand that every piece of information in Monday.com is stored as an item, and links are no exception. Now, in the item creation box, you'll notice a small icon that looks like a chain or link. Click on this icon. This is the link adding tool of Monday.com that allows us to embed any web link into our board. Once you've clicked on the link icon, a new window will pop up. Here, you'll need to paste the URL of the link you want to add. Let me explain why this matters. By adding a link, you're essentially creating a shortcut to a web page right inside your board. This can be a huge time saver, especially when you're dealing with multiple web resources. After you paste the URL, click on Add. The system will automatically validate the URL, and your link will appear on the board. The reason we do this is to ensure that the link is active and accessible to everyone on the team. And just like that, you've successfully added a link to your Monday.com board. This simple yet powerful feature can significantly boost your team's efficiency by keeping all necessary resources handy and organized. That's all for today's guide on adding a link to Monday.com. Remember, staying organized is the key to productivity. Until next time, happy organizing.